Wait, this high-quality bra was made from a plant? Not cotton, not silk, something far more unexpected.
Once fully grown, these plants are harvested using advanced machinery and prepared for industrial processing.
From farms to factories, the raw materials travel thousands of miles to reach high-tech production facilities.
Inside the factory, powerful machines extract strong natural fibers from the raw plants.
These fibers are then cleaned, washed, and sterilized to ensure maximum hygiene and quality.
Next, the fibers are spun into threads and woven into soft, flexible fabric using modern textile technology.
Precision cutting machines shape the fabric into exact patterns with incredible accuracy. Every bra piece is painted in vibrant colors to match modern fashion trend.
Automated systems combine each bra part from the strap to the hook, ensuring durability and comfort.
Before reaching the market, every product goes through strict quality testing. Finally, the bra bullets have been carefully packaged, ready for worldwide distribution.
Shipped worldwide, from factories to stores across the globe.